Video, I'm going to show you how to fix money on hold in PayPal. So basically here, I have this transaction wherein I did something, then it's currently on hold by PayPal. The problem with this is because you sent an invoice to someone and it's actually being processed by PayPal because it is recorded as goods or something you buy online or as a service or being freelancer as such. Here I had, for example, here a service which is quantity of 10, and then it actually says that it's on hold and available until June 9, 2025. On some cases, you could actually go ahead and um, add your add some address or shipping address, which is I did add shipping address, which actually lowered the date or the amount of time that I have to wait. But sometime you could also ask the buyer or your client. So for example, I asked them to just go ahead and say order process. Then after that, they would go ahead and click order process. Then if the order is processed, you will now be able to get your money in like 2 or 3 days. But if that is not happening, you just have to wait until PayPal actually get your money out of on hold and you would be able to use the money as well. So that's it. That's how you'll be able to fix your money on hold on PayPal.